Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to get the Amazon Prime Video free trial and enjoy a variety of movies, TV shows, and exclusive Amazon originals. Whether you're new to Amazon or just want to test the service, this guide will walk you through the process. Let's get started. 1. Visit the Amazon Prime Video website. Open your browser. Go to the Amazon Prime Video website at primevideo.com. Sign in. If you already have an Amazon account, sign in using your credentials. If not, create a new Amazon account by clicking Sign Up and following the prompts. 2. Start your free trial. Find the free trial option. On the Prime Video homepage, click on the Start Your 30-Day Free Trial button. This will give you access to all Prime benefits, including Prime Video, for 30 days. Choose a plan. You'll be prompted to select a subscription plan. Prime Video only. If you're only interested in Prime Video, you can select the Prime Video only plan, which is often available at a lower price. Amazon Prime Membership. The full Amazon Prime membership gives you benefits like free shipping, Prime Music, and Prime Reading along with Prime Video. 3. Enter payment information. Payment details. To activate your free trial, you'll need to enter a valid payment method, credit card, debit card, or Amazon gift card. Amazon requires this information even for the free trial. No charges during trial. You won't be charged during the 30-day free trial period, but you must cancel before the trial ends if you don't want to be billed for the next subscription period. 4. Confirm and start watching. Confirm your subscription. Once you've entered your payment details, confirm your subscription. Start streaming. You're now ready to start enjoying Amazon Prime Video. Browse thousands of movies, TV shows, and exclusive content like The Boys, The Marvelous Mrs. Maisel, and Jack Ryan. 5. Cancel before trial ends, if needed. If you decide not to continue with Amazon Prime Video after your free trial, go to your account settings. Before the 30-day period ends, go to your account and lists your Prime membership. Cancel trial. Click End Membership to cancel before you're charged. Make sure to cancel at least 1 day before the trial ends to avoid charges. 6. Enjoy Prime Video after free trial, optional. If you enjoy the service and want to continue after the trial, your account will automatically convert to a paid subscription after the free trial ends. You'll be billed based on the plan you selected when you signed up. Conclusion. Getting the Amazon Prime Video free trial is a great way to test out the service and explore the vast library of movies, TV shows, and exclusive content. Just sign up, enjoy the content, and remember to cancel if you decide it's not for you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more streaming tips and tricks.